All loaded up, ready to go. My embalming fluid bottles are rattling in the back. So it's Friday evening. Tomorrow's a big party, Halloween party 2024. And I'm on my way to Aaron's house. Gonna do some Halloween decorating. Hopefully we'll get it all done tonight, so tomorrow will be some easy rolling. So this is going to be the entrance to the Halloween party this year. I made this about 3 weeks ago, at least a frame, and then a couple weeks ago brought it over here to Aaron's, and then we set it up, put the foam and skulls in, and then he put the finishing touches on it as far as the paint. But it looks really cool. I'm anxious to see what it looks like tonight when it's all lit up.